In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to start live stream on your Twitch account from Streamlabs. First of all, go ahead and open your Streamlabs desktop app, and now click on Settings. In Settings, select Stream, and in this stream destination, you'll find Twitch. So make sure you have logged in or connected your Twitch account with Streamlabs. Once you successfully connected Twitch with Streamlabs, click on Done. Now, under Sources, go ahead and add your audio and video sources that you want to stream on your Twitch account. Now, all you have to need, click on Go Live. And in this Go Live section, we have to enable Twitch account. And now you can change your Twitch account live stream title from here. You can change category, you can add your live stream Twitch tags, and then just click on confirm and go live. And it may take some moments to connect your Streamlabs with Twitch live. Once connected, I'm going to my Twitch account and going to my creator dashboard and selecting stream manager. And as you can see, currently I'm on my Twitch live from Streamlabs, and here you get your stream live chat box. And to end your Twitch stream from Streamlabs, just click on end stream, and that's it.